Hi, welcome to our next video. In our previous video, we have demonstrated how to create table of contents or how to generate table of contents from a very big report in Microsoft Word. And in this video, we are going to see a small trick that can change a simple formatting of the table of contents that is generated. So we have stopped here in our last video. In this table of contents, in some reports there will be necessary for this dotted lines, and in some report there will not be a necessary of adding dotted lines here. So we are going to see how to remove this dotted lines from this table. So after generating this table, just click on this table. In the same references tab, there is something called table of contents. So in that, below, insert table of contents option is there. Click that. A small window will be opened here. In this window, there is something called tab leader. So tab leader is nothing but the dotted lines. I mean, the lines are something that connects the title and the page number. Click on that. So we have three options: dotted lines, hyphens, and underscores. And the another option is none. So select none and click OK. So it will ask us whether to replace the selected table of contents. Click yes. So the dotted lines will be disappeared. So this is how we can remove the dotted lines from the table of contents. Hope this video is informative. In case you have any queries, you can leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.